been seeing and hearing so much about the Samsung Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus, that you would think that the device is about to be released. Using renders of the upcoming flagship model, a company in China has produced a knockoff of the Galaxy S9. Unlike the vertically mounted single-lens camera and fingerprint scanner that will be found on the rear of Galaxy S9, this clone features a dual-camera setup on back, similar to what we will reportedly find on the back of the Galaxy S9 Plus. The clone, made by Vkworld, carries the misleading model number of S9. It will be priced for less than what the real Galaxy S9 will cost, yet it does feature a much larger 5000 mAh battery. It also copies the real Galaxy S9's thin bezels and 18:9 aspect ratio. The Vkworld S9's 5.99-inch display has a 2K resolution and the MediaTek Helio X30 is under the hood. This chipset uses a deca-core design. 6 GB of RAM is inside along with 128 GB of native storage. Expected to launch next spring, the Vkworld S9 will be priced at $300. On its own, this sounds like a good deal considering the specs. But once you throw in the number of people you can trick into believing that you bought the Galaxy S9, this clone might have more value as far as you're concerned.